As a Jamaican living in Canada, sometimes we find it challenging to figure out dinner to feed the Jamaican side of our husband and then the Canadian version of our children. But as for me and my house, I try to balance it. I switch it up because I'm not going to be cooking 2 and 3 different meals in one day. So this version is the Canadian child satisfaction day. He'll be getting what he likes, and this is some mashed potato and some sweet and sour chicken. This is like the version of the KFC bowl. Sometimes I add the corns, under the gravy. You remember KFC bowl? Oh man, I was addicted to that when I was in Jamaica. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my chicken and cut them up in cubes and season it as usual. If you've been here now for a while, then you should know how I season my chicken with my green season, which has all the herbs, and I promise you I will do a video on how I make my green season. So now, while the chicken is doing its thing, marinating, I'm going to cut up the potatoes in small cubes. So I'm going to boil the potatoes. Do you cook potatoes at home? Do you like mashed potatoes? I don't mind it. I eat like a kid sometimes. But this is not a Jamaican man approved dinner. I can tell you that. But this dinner is super easy. It's a perfect midweek dinner that you come home from work and you just whip it up really fast. How about you? What are some easy meal ideas that you switch up as a Jamaican mom with Canadian children or even American children? I know I have a lot of American followers watching my videos. Let me know in the comments. Anyhow, I'm gonna, I didn't show you how I season the flour, but most of the powder season that I put on the chicken, I season the flour and I toss the chicken in it, shake it up and look at that chicken. Oh my goodness, yes. And we prefer white meat over here, so we use a lot of chicken breast and wings instead of leg and thighs. Now this is the mashed potato I'm working on. I usually add cream cheese, some sour cream and some butter. Sometimes I add a little milk. My milk that I use mostly is almond milk. And that's him. Of course, him have to come and help because it's a theme dinner. And him can't wait for the food done. Anyhow, look at that. I made that gravy, that sauce. I didn't show you how I do it. And that is a mashed potato right there. Let me know as a Jamaican. Do you approve? As an island girl, do you approve this dinner? Anyhow, thank you so much for watching another video. Bye.